Hello, welcome back, students. Good morning. Good morning. So, as you people were asking me last class about physiology, plant physiology, animal physiology. So, as we are going to proceed with the KVPY, you need to have the basics. Then only I can enter into the paper, right? So, let's begin with the human physiology continuation of that. One or two chapters I'll finish in that. And physiology, we have plant physiology we have done already. Carmel girls, until talking to Carmel girls, they were asking me yesterday in the lab, ma'am, please explain us about the complete of human physiology. You were asking me actually. So I'm planning to do that first because otherwise again I start this question answers. You will be asking me doubts on that. Is it okay? Only 16 members have come now. I will repeat, wait, let all of them they come. Only 17 members have come. Wait, Prakriti. I will explain you what is that I want to do. I will repeat you. Just 18 members have come exactly at 10:45. Timing is 10:45 only, no? 10:45 to 11:45. We'll wait 21. What are you doing? Come fast, na? The time is up. Time's up 10:46. And you come so slowly, then you may make me again and again talk about the same thing. Okay, listen. All of you, just listen to me. So when I was discussing with the students physically in the lab, when I was in lab, I was asking them what is that you are actually requiring. So many of those who are taking KVPY, they need some human physiology and plant physiology background. This is the must thing before you enter into it. And even Samyak Kiryapa, Samyak, are you there here? Ilvan Bandilva, yeah? Okay. So as your wish, I will finish some of the human physiology units, some plant physiology units, so that you will get an idea, at least to have the overall syllabus with you. Then we will discuss remaining parts of the question paper. Are you solving those one of the paper we have sent? One or two, I think I sent KVPY papers. Did you solve any one of you solve it? Not speaking means I will keep quiet. Because the way you were asking me that day, I was thinking you are so serious. Now you don't discuss anything. All these 37 members react, no? What am I asking you? What am I asking you? I said we will have to have the plant physiology and human physiology in detail. Because you people have asked me, Carmel girls. Prakriti, you know what I am saying? You said what to repeat, no, this is what I am repeating. Oh, you talk, no, yeah. You just message, text me there. What is that it's bothering you? Wait, I'll be waiting to your response. Prakriti is saying do revision. What about Carmel students who were so much keen about that yesterday? Last Saturday. When I come there, you were asking me some particular chapters. Okay, I'll open it to all, not host only. Everybody, I'll open. Don't say, ma'am, revision Allah. What you wanted me to do, you write it there. Tell me what you wanted me to do. That's why I have to start with that. Human physiology. Others can see, their messages. Based on their messages, I should do it now. Human physiology. It is to everyone. Just check. All of you write Carmel girls which you want. Plant physiology and water relations, water transport. Human physiology and water transport you wanted me to do. Samyak, you are there? Because there one part of biodiversity I should explain him, so that all of questions are appearing on that human physiology. So slowly you respond, no, like others are not at all there. 37, 38 members you are logging in, and 3 people are responding. Chemical coordination she is asking. Let me see first, majority of them, what they want, let me do that. Chemical coordination we have done in the last class. For you, I have done actually. Gauri, I didn't do it last class, sorry, last year for you. Human physiology also come there only under chemical coordination comes under that only. Carmel students react now. Three members only want these things about. Anyway, your wish, I will do the human physiology part. Circulation, respiration, nerve conduction of nerve impulse, chemical coordination, then some part of plant water relations. We will do, then some more papers we will solve. Okay, 1 or 2 classes I'll finish out that. Okay. Is it fine? All are not even interested. You are not interested means I will go ahead with the syllabus or some papers I will solve. I really don't understand what you are thinking of here about the subject. Right then. So let me continue with this. Physiology, human physiology. We have done one actually digestion we have done. Same way if you want to do circulation, respiration, you need to concentrate properly. All of you, like a revision, I'm doing it now. Circulation of body fluids. Okay, it's a NEET portion. NEET and KVPY. I am doing revision. Circulation of body fluids. Then we will go to respiration. Okay. So circulation of body fluids, we have blood now. Blood circulation, we have blood vessels and heart. Okay. I'll directly start with the heart. Okay. Heart circulation. This is the heart structure. Okay. Okay. So this is the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, interatrial septa, interventricular septa. This is auriculoventricular aperture. Right side it is tricuspid valve. Left side is bicuspid valve. This is systemic aorta. Okay. So whenever I erase some of the things will go. Don't ask me where is it, ma'am. I would have written another diagram and that would have been erased. This is systemic aorta. This is a pulmonary aorta. Okay. Okay. This is come out. They go to the respective lungs. Okay. This is the structure. Here you have semilunar valves. Here also you have semilunar valves. Aortic systemic semilunar valve, pulmonary semilunar valve. This is the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Okay, these are the openings over here. Okay, so let me ask your labelings. Okay, so whatever I'm labeling, I will ask you what are these. There is a valve over here. I want you to label this valve A. Okay, then I want you to label this part B. Then this is C. This is D. This is E. Label it. Label and tell me, then I will understand how much you are able to follow. A, B, C, D, E, F, just label and tell me. No, A is not artery. A is not artery, Rakshita. A is not artery. What is artery? Simply something you are want to mention. Na? What is artery? No. A is not artery. B is not aorta. No. You people have to be concentrating while answering. Only C is right. Sri Gauri, what semilunar valve? What type of semilunar valve? A is pulmonary semilunar valve. Yeah, she has written. Prakriti has written. Okay. Prakriti has written all correctly. Others should write now. A, B, C, D, nalku validi. There is no option for writing only one or two. All I want you to write. Then only it is something you know it. Otherwise, you don't know anything. All A, B, C, D you mention and tell me. A is a pulmonary semilunar valve. Label it. A is a pulmonary semilunar valve. B is the pulmonary aorta. C is the inferior vena cava. What is D? D are pulmonary veins. What's the number of pulmonary veins you have? How many pulmonary veins will you get it? 4. Okay, they originate from where? Pulmonary veins originate from which place? End in which place? Originate in which place? I'm asking a new question now. Over, that question is over. Pulmonary veins originate from dash and end in dash. Originate where? I said end ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಹೇಳಿದ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೌರಿ. Originate where, end where ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅರೋಮಾ ಅಂತ ಬೇರೆ ಬರ್ದಿದೀಯ. Yeah, Prakriti is writing correctly. Others are not writing only. Yes, Kushal is right. Kushal is right. Others, Carmel students, you don't know it all? You know, you don't know. Correct, Gauri. You are written now correctly. Carmel students, answer to my question. Basic structure of heart, if you know, then only other things I can explain you. I can't do the whole chapter now. Huh? Basics I'm checking in you. Carmel students, right answers. Okay, pulmonary artery originates and ends where? Originates and supplies what blood? Pulmonary artery originates from where and supplies what blood? Yeah, Gauri, good. You are reacting. What about other children? Namrata. Good. Namrata has written. Okay. Then. So what happens is the cycle when you observe, The superior inferior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood. They pour it into the heart. So now I'll make it little clear a diagram where what blood will be there, and I'll just give you again the same diagram I may give, but the type of blood I'll give you this. Okay. Okay. Here is it. Here is the next one. This is systemic aorta. Okay, this is pulmonary aorta. Okay, it's like this. So here you get the superior vena cava getting the blood which is deoxygenated. D and deoxygenated, O and oxygenated. Opens in the superior vena cava, opens in the right auricle. This is again inferior vena cava carrying the deoxygenated blood, opens into the right auricle. Then we have the systemic aorta which is moving out, having pulmonary, the what you call semilunar valves, called systemic semilunar valves, which is carrying oxygenated blood, and this is carrying deoxygenated blood. This is the pulmonary aorta. It takes the blood to the two lungs for oxygenation. Then here are the four pulmonary veins, two coming from left side, two coming from the right side, all are opening in this. Okay, they are all carrying oxygenated blood. Okay, this is oxygenated blood. This is how it is. Okay, this is also oxygenated blood. This is deoxygenated blood. Okay, remember how I have written it. Now listen, the cardiac cycle when you start, how it starts functioning. The two auricles contract first, ventricles receive the blood, ventricles contract, blood will move to the systemic and pulmonary aorta. Okay. So cardiac cycle phase 1. Phase 1 is atrial systole. The two atria contract. From the right atria, deoxygenated blood go to the right ventricle. From left auricles, the oxygenated blood move to the left ventricle. Right? This is oxygenated blood from here till here it has come now. Here it has the bicuspid wall, here it has tricuspid wall. So atrial systole, ventricles receive it, so therefore there will be ventricular, ventricles undergo diastole. This is the first phase. Then phase 2, the two ventricles contract. Ventricular systole. Blood move to the aorta and pulmonary aorta. Aorta oxygenated, this is deoxygenated blood, right? It's going here, and the two semilunar valves closed here, they already have closed, right? After phase 2, there is no another contraction immediately starting. This is a phase 2. There will be a third phase, is the general pause will be there. There is a pause, right? There is nothing happening. There will be a gap in between of both of them. There is a general pause happening. So in this pause, all will be just receiving the blood. Nothing is moving out of the heart, right? There is a general pause happening in this stage, right? Phase 1, phase 2, you should know it, right? Atrial systole, ventricular diastole. Phase 2, ventricular systole, atrial. Then blood will move to the systemic aorta and pulmonary aorta. This is called the one cardiac cycle, or we call this as the cardiac cycle is equal to 1 of the heartbeat. Heartbeat, it happens in 0.8 seconds. That's the time duration of one heartbeat to complete, or one cardiac cycle to complete. Okay. Next is, do you want to write something or it's okay? You know it. Okay. Next we talk about the heart. What do we call? Heartbeats or heart sounds. So first sound, love, is produced when auriculoventricular valves close. Duck will produce when the semilunar valves close. Always valves are produced, or valves are helping for avoiding the backflow of blood. Okay. Then after that, there is a rhythm in this. What's a rhythm? Love, duck, pause, love, duck, and a pause. One cycle, one cycle like this. So in this rhythm, it has to happen, right? So these heart sounds you can very clearly observe when there is a stethoscope, right? Can anybody tell me about the heart murmuring? Can you tell me about the heart murmuring? You should speak out, ma. Otherwise, I think that I'm only doing. It is not doing the lecture. I'm not lecturing. I am revising. Revising means you should have some idea already. Revision means you should know it. You don't want to react. Write about cardiac cycle, let me see. What is a cardiac cycle, how it works? Sanjit, I told the cycles. Phase 1, phase 2, you should write. Phase 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, phase 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sanjana, why this happens? Heart murmuring, why it happens? I'm asking two questions. Cardiac cycle. First, phase 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ wrong. ನಾನು just now cardiac cycle ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಶ್ರೀಗೌರಿ ಇದೇನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? You are talking about double circulation. I'm talking about cardiac cycle. Just now I told you cycle phase 1, phase 2, adhan bari nodana. First phase 1 correct कर दिया क्वेश्चन उधर बरी दी. Yes, correct. Second phase. Phase 2. Phase 2. Are Shweta, just now I explained you we are writing different things. You are taking down directly from Google and writing and giving it to me. That I can understand very easily. I want to know how much you were there here when I explained it. Yes, Sanjit, you are right. Begins the auricular systole during 2 atria contracts. Correct. Phase 2, phase 2. Right now I want phase 2. Sanjana, you are written correctly. Phase 2, ventricular systole to ventricular systole. Let's go to the aorta, ventricle, deoxynic plant atria. Okay. Yeah. Phase 2, Kushal has written. Phase 1, phase 2, pause. All of you write. सम्यक इधर है अल्वा ये सम्यक संपत संजना संजित श्वेता स्फूर्ति ಇಲ್ಲ सम्यक ಇಲ್ಲ write it in detail ma Carmel students are again and again you are making the same mistake writing shortcut everything. If you are really interested in KVP and all, this shortcut will not work. Okay, so heart sounds are normally like this. If there is anything wrong with the bi or tricuspid valve or semilunar valves, there may be leakage sound observed. That is called heart murmuring. Okay, heart murmuring is mainly because of the leakage sounds, and these murmuring are because of the different types of heart valve problems. Right? So whenever I write about the heart murmuring, heart murmur, there is a leaky valves. Leaky valves ಅಲ್ಲಿ types of valves are valvular stenosis ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is about the narrowing of the valves. or regurgitation of valves. That is about the proliferation of valves. Proliferation of valves. With all these things, there will be heart murmur observed. Okay. So this, if you want, you write somewhere. Okay. Now, what happens is about the heart. The circulation will start with the part by part. We'll now talk about something called the origin and conduction of the heartbeat. If you take out these blood vessels, then you can easily mention about the origin and conduction of the heartbeat. So I'm just removing them and rewriting it. So conducting system of the heart when you are writing. Like this. The conduction begins with the small group of nodal muscular tissue present here below the opening of superior vena cava. We call it as SAN. Okay. It will continue in the AVN. As it produces the impulse, it will travel the auricles, not to the ventricles, and be caught by AVN. Then it will travel down in the bundle of His. Bundle of His, it's a thick bundle which will bifurcate and that will join the Purkinje fibers. This is the Purkinje fibers. Okay, this is bundle of His. This is the Purkinje fibers. Okay, here we talk about the two types of heart. You explain me about the types of heart with examples. The hearts are divided into two types, namely myogenic heart and neurogenic heart. Please explain me this. After that, I'll come back to this. Types of heart, myogenic or neurogenic heart. I'll tell you papillary muscles ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. First ಇದು ಬರೀಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನನಗೆ. myogenic and neurogenic heart ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. First ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. Okay, heartbeat originates from the group of the neurons in the orthopods neurogenic heart. Good, yeah, Kushal, very jana agidya nina. The beats originate from the neurons. Good. Examples. Group of nerve ganglions. Example for both of them. Yeah, myogenic is all humans and mammals and all of them. and neurogenic is in some of the lower invertebrates like lemurus, the king crab. Okay. Some of the arthropods example. Correct. Okay. Kamal girls, do you know about this myogenic and neurogenic heart? Kamal girls, do you know about this? Yes. Do you understand what is myogenic and neurogenic heart? Have you heard about this anytime? Because you are not answering, girls. Yeah. Please answer what is myogenic or neurogenic heart. Others be quiet now. I know these people, our AC or Baritare. Carmel girls, I want to write. Myogenic made up of heart is not made up of muscles. Wrong it is. Hafsa, it is not right. Heart is not made up of the muscles. Because of the muscles, it's not called as a myogenic heart. Hafsa, see basic concepts are ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕತೆ ನಾನು KVPY ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Anyone else in the Carmel gang? Please tell me myogenic and neurogenic heart. Anyone? I want you to answer, ma. Others also. Hafsa, you are writing again. Initiation of the heartbeat under the control of nerves is called as a neurogenic heart. Okay, that's correct. Okay, listen. So we call myogenic heart the one whose heartbeat initiated, not the heart is made up. Heartbeat is initiated by group of muscle fibers, myogenic. If it is by nervous tissue, which is originating heartbeat, it is neurogenic heart. Okay. Myogenic andre heartbeat initiated. Some points you write till now because I am observing you are hardly having any idea about this. Write down myogenic heart. Origin of heartbeat by group of muscle fibers. Myogenic heart. Next example. All mammals and chordates. Next, neurogenic group of neurons initiating the heartbeat. Example, lower invertebrates like arthropods. Example, lemurus. Lemurus is a king crab. Lemurus means king crab. Okay. Now, what do you mean by initiation of heartbeat? Well, I want to clear that problem. What she has told Hafsa said heart is made up of muscle fibers, so myogenic. No, heart is made up of so many layers. What are the coverings of the heart called? The muscular coverings. First, membranes. Membranes of the heart are called as pericardium. Outer epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. Right? Now, these are the muscular membranes covering the heart. Okay? Now, coming to the origin and conduction of heartbeat, I told you group of muscle fibers to initiate the heartbeat. The first one that initiates heartbeat is the same. This is group of small nodal muscular tissue that begins to produce these electric impulses. That is what is called the initiation of heartbeat. These travel all over the auricles and begin for the contraction of the auricles. Now they are taken up by the ventricle, the AVN. Physiologically, they are not connected. Only impulse should be caught here. Therefore, it's a physiological connection here. SAM is initiating, so we call it as the pacemaker. Pacemaker surgery is done sometimes if they are very fat or edema. If they have a lot of edema, then SAL will not work. Then they will replace it with the small electronic gazette that acts as a pacemaker. Pacemaker is the one which begins the heartbeat. It will initiate the heartbeat. Adakoskara we call it as a pacemaker. So it will travel only auricles. It will be caught by auriculoventricular node, and this will attach. This will travel it to the ventricles. Third one is bundle of His. Bundle of His will travel in the interventricular septa, forms two branches, left and right. Then it will join the Purkinje fibers. Fourth one is Purkinje fibers. Okay. Then auricles will get it only through SAN. Ventricles get the impulse from AVN, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. Okay. Written. Write some of the points on that. SAN is called pacemaker as it initiates the heartbeat by producing electric impulses. Impulses travel throughout auricle, not into the ventricle. Not to the ventricles. Next, AVN, catch the impulse physiologically from SAN, bring it to the ventricles. Located in the intra-auriculoventricular septa. Where is SAN located? SAN location. Right atrium valley. ಯಾವ area exactly right atrium ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Right atrium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Below the opening of superior vena cava. Very good. AVN location, na? Location of AVN. Intra-auriculoventricular septa slightly protruded into the right side, madam. Correct, Dati. AVN, AVN, intra-auriculoventricular septa. Okay, good. Then it carries the impulse. So, what are the particularly components involved in ventricular contraction? Tell me, ventricular contraction. Yaar involved ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? What all are involved in ventricular contraction? No? Think and tell me properly. Yeah, Kushal is right. Riti is right. Gauri, you left something. Yes. So many of you are not answering. Maybe you are not interested in whatever it is. You can see for auricular contraction, you require only the SIN. For ventricular contraction, AVN, bundle office, and Purkinje fibers. All these will travel or bring the impulse towards the lower area. Ventricles contract only when these three things work, right? And here, as somebody asked me about the papillary muscles, I'll give you. This is the heart. Okay. So this is the tricuspid valve, this is a bicuspid valve. Okay. So here you get certain muscles. These are the extensions of the muscles in the ventricles. These muscles are called as the papillary muscles. These papillary muscles are thin fibers extending towards the end. This way, in the form of thin fibers, we call these as chordae tendineae. Okay, these are the chordae tendineae. These are attached to bi and tricuspid valves. So papillary muscles are the muscles of the inner wall muscles of the ventricles that will extend in the form of chordae tendineae, NAE, chordae tendineae. Okay, these are attached to the bi and tricuspid valves. Whenever there is blood moving from auricle to ventricle, these chordae tendineae contract and allow the blood to move. Whenever it is filled here, it will relax and not allow the blood to move back. That is a function of chordae tendineae and papillary muscles. Okay, write about the papillary muscles and chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae are the thin extensions of muscle fibers from papillary muscles. You should write. Extensions of papillary muscles in the form of thin cords that are attached to bi and tricuspid valves and control the movement of bi tricuspid valves. Did you write about this? Hafsa, you want me to explain again? Okay, listen. Write points first, then you will understand. Papillary muscles are the internal muscles of the ventricles. that extend into the ventricles, internal muscles of the ventricle that extend into the ventricles. Caudate tendineae are the extensions of papillary muscles connected to the bi and tricuspid valves. Bi and tricuspid valves. These control the movement of bi and tricuspid valves. Did you understand, Hafsa, what I told you? I repeated now. Okay. Is it okay for all of you? Hafsa, did you follow? Okay then. See, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, see you then. Bye. Bye.